Iceland, icebergs drift beneath a twilight sky. The cold, sublime, glass towers mirror dusk, the world's reflection in its own ambition. Crimson skies ignite over ancient rocks, the passion of the dying sun. In Zermatt, the Matterhorn looms over sleeping chalets. Zebras stand alert in whispering grass, balance and beauty in motion. We climb higher, the jagged Alps piercing the clouds. Cities awaken, neon veins of light pulsing through the night. In Dubai, ambition takes form, a palm carved into the sea. Then stillness, an American lake surrounded by forest calm. At the edge of the world, the Azores lighthouse keeps its lonely vigil. The Matterhorn watches over its snowy valley, a frozen fairy tale. Even the suburban stretches glow beneath an epic sky. Bonifacio's ancient harbor rests, stone guardians watching over time. Beneath the water's shadow, the Amazonian piranha waits. Silent, cold, perfect. Far away, a white minaret stands above the blue. Peace between forest and ocean. The island paradise glows again. Turquoise shallows and coral halos. A medieval tower guards the coast, echo of forgotten wars. Icelandic horses endure the storm, their breath meeting the snow. Deep within the earth, volcanic fire breathes, sulfur and steam from a living wound. The ancient peaks rise, moss-covered, untouched, eternal. In the forest, a young deer looks up, innocence within wilderness. A chapel clings to a cliff, faith written in stone. Light bursts through a canyon, a single blinding moment of hope. A lone rider ascends a snow peak beneath a burning sky, man against the elements. In the Antarctic cold, explorers' huts stand beside the penguins. Echoes of courage frozen in time. Under the stars, petroglyphs whisper messages from the ancients. Thunder rises. We plunge into the heart of a roaring waterfall, swallowed by the storm. We begin in a world sculpted by pure ocean, a postcard perfect paradise, isolated and utterly breathtaking. From the shores we rise to the misty highlands. Steel tracks cut through endless emerald slopes, vanishing into the tropical canopy. A journey through the heart of the jungle. Then the scene softens. A golden dawn awakens over rolling fields centered on a single vibrant tree. Nature's quiet sentinel. Suddenly, the wild returns. The intense amber gaze of the Bengal tiger, watching with timeless authority. A tranquil reflection follows. A woman by a still lake. Serenity in human form now witness the sheer power of the Atlantic coast. Basalt pillars where the mountain pours itself into the sea. Across the Mediterranean, Bonifacio clings to its cliffside fortress, carved by wind and time. As the air cools, forests ignite in a fiery farewell. Autumn's grand finale. A small owl watches in silence, curious and still. From nature's architecture to man's design, red rooftops crowned by cathedral spires. Then, back to the hunter. A leopard's piercing gaze, phantom of the jungle. His spirit drifts over the Venetian lagoon. Ancient stone and still waters intertwined. The day fades into neon twilight, a furious sky over the restless city. Above the clouds, a perfect halo glows. Geometry of the heavens. Raw nature stretches and yawns. The resting cat in primal peace. A descent follows into mist and blue fog, where the forest breathes secrets. On Madeira's cliffs, humanity builds against the abyss. Across London's Tower Bridge, thousands move as one, momentum made visible. Under vast swirling clouds, a valley of impossible green thrives. Even the smallest life demands attention. The intricate world of a tiny insect. Thank you. Hold your breath, a dizzying dive between colossal walls of rock and moss. Look up. The rainforest's ancient witness stands scarred but eternal. The earth stirs in anger, storms devour mountains, rain roars across the land. Yet peace returns. The soft evening mist gathers over quiet ridges. A horse moves gently through golden fields. Harmony reborn. Sea lions claim their rocky empire, the wild chorus of the coast. High in the Italian hills, terracotta villages shine beneath the sun. The blue train glides through Sri Lanka's arches, memory in motion. The sun bows out, a riot of crimson farewell. The Pacific reveals its masterpiece, Oahu's green peaks kissed by turquoise waves. The Amazon breathes, its flooded forests forming a living lung of earth. Low clouds cradle the Spanish hills, dreamlike and divine. Life floats upon the jade waters of Ha Long Bay, color, geometry, and tradition intertwined. A bright vine climbs wet,